It's highly on video time, and it appears that the Hypertruck is making a comeback, but the ERX portion of it is removed. From the office of that handles the trademark, their website, the ERX is abandoned, but oddly the Hypertruck is alive. However, at one point the Hypertruck was abandoned. And if you go to HYLN's website and click on mobility, instead of seeing Navy ships, you see a truck with a Carno generator in it. And after doing some searching, the Hypertruck was a project under NASA, which I know Thomas Healy referred to. It came from NASA, but there's a video out there from 1992 showcasing, it's not a Hypertruck, but it's a truck with a Stirling engine in it.
A second vehicle, a standard Air Force truck, was also evaluated. The truck's original 95 horsepower internal combustion engine was replaced by a 75 horsepower Stirling engine. Tests were conducted over a one-year period for...
Does this sound familiar?
1,000 hours and 19,000 miles of open highway and city streets, on rough and rural roads, and in normal traffic in a variety of environments. In moderate climate, the Norfolk, Virginia area, an expediter mission at Langley Air Force Base. Hot, moist sea air environment, a general transportation assignment at Eglin Air Force Base, Florida.
Now, I cut out some of the other environments that they took it in through, but they did a lot of thorough testing with this pickup truck that had a Stirling engine in it.
The Stirling consistently delivered more miles per gallon. Current engines are a major contributor to the severe atmospheric pollution in our cities today. Exhaust emissions were evaluated, and the Stirling engine met federal emissions standards. No catalytic converter or particulate trap was needed. The exhaust is cool and clean. The Stirling engine can help reduce these pollutants to meet even the most stringent California standards.
Oh, we're talking about CARB. And this is 2024. And in this video, which is almost, it's 32 years ago, 32, they're also talking about that same thing.
Also, several maintenance requirements were eliminated, with only one spark plug to start combustion, no carburetor, no catalytic converter, and no muffler.
Wait a minute. Is this low maintenance? This is low maintenance.
Because the engine oil is not exposed to combustion products, it stayed clean and uncontaminated throughout the test, eliminating the oil changes. The Stirling engine offers increased fuel economy, multi-fuel flexibility, and reduced life cycle costs. Its economy and efficiency of operation are being demonstrated. The Stirling engine appears ready for market.
It's ready for market in 1992, and it's ready for market in 2025. But if no one wanted it in 1992, surely someone's going to want it in 2025, right?
NASA's Technical Utilization Division continues to work with U.S. industry, providing data to manufacturers and end users, answering the questions on Stirling technology. And the technology is available now to build the power plant of the future today.
No comment at all. So this is the history for the ERX patent, and they filed 5 extensions because the patent office is saying, where is the ERX being used for commercial use? And it was never sold, so it was abandoned. With the Hypertruck, the same thing took place, and both of these ended up being abandoned in 2024. However, the Hypertruck is back, and they start up a new application in April of 2024, and eventually they're going to say, the trademark office is going to ask, where's this Hypertruck going to be used? And I don't really understand how they can file for a patent on something, drag their feet for a couple years, it gets abandoned, so they just file for another patent again. Apparently can do that. And the same thing is now happening with the Carno. In December of 2023, that first extension was filed because they're asking, where's the Carno generator being used? Then they asked in July of 2024, where's that Carno generator being used? So they filed for another extension. In December of 2024, the trademark office is going to ask, where's that Carno generator being used in a commercial basis? And this is like one of the core issues that HYLN has. It has to sell this on a commercial basis, and they haven't been able to demonstrate that yet, and that's a high-risk endeavor for investors. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.